How's it going, everybody? Welcome back. And as you can see here, um, this was a gift from my friend Kyle over at RKD Scale Works. And when I got home, there was a package on the countertop, and it had my name on it. And my son goes, "Hey, there's a package for you." And I was like, "Okay, but I'm just oblivious to what's going on." So I looked to who the sender was, and it was Kyle. And I was like, I don't think I've mentioned anything. I don't think I had any talks with Kyle about a model kit, or for him to send me a box of stuff, right? So I opened it up, and to my surprise, I found this AMT 1950 Chevy 3100 pickup. And a couple of it's been a while, and him and I were talking, and I told him that this is one of my favorite trucks as a kit form, and as the one-to-one. If I was to have money, I will buy this truck and do my own version, and just fix it up and stuff like that. And that was that. So I text him. I go, "Hey, what's going on with the kit, with the box?" And he remember us having that talk a while back. And so it's not a complete kit. It's he took some stuff out of it, and which is fine. But no worries. I can. You guys know me. I'll manage. So thank you, Kyle. I just want to give you a shout out, and thank you for thinking of me and sending me this gift. Definitely we'll build it. I already have some ideas on what to do, and again, my gears are they're rolling. I'm like, what do I do? So I got big plans. I'll start writing some stuff down, because now that I'm getting older, I'm starting to forget things. So I am going to pretty much write down what I want to do with it, and go from there. I don't know if it'll be a patina or a custom or low. I don't know. I just know that we're gonna do something cool with it, and we're gonna go and take inventory and see what I'm missing. And if not, if everything it's good, if it's something that I can kind of build without it, let's say if I need headlights, I got extra headlights, or tires, I got plenty of rims and tires, or even the bumpers. We could always make it into a street rod. So the possibilities of building this thing are endless. So I just wanted to come on here and really thank Kyle for blessing me with this gift, and yeah, we'll truly appreciate it, Kyle. Thank you. And I will leave a link to his channel down below if you guys want to go and check him out. And again, Kyle, thank you. I appreciate it. And this comes to show that this community it's awesome. That's all I can say. We are a very giving community, and there is just no one that can deny that. And I am a true testimony of that. And as you guys have seen, this couple of weeks I've been getting gifts from other members, from the 49 Merc that I put together, and then now I have enough to build other stuff. So this is something that we are gonna put it together, and we're gonna build it, and we're gonna do something cool. And and it's my favorite truck. So I mean, I should do a list, and my top 5, top 10, whatever favorite trucks or kits, or actual favorite one-to-one car in the kit form. I don't know. I'll figure something out. We'll make something happen. All right, guys. Thanks for stopping by, Kyle. Thank you very much. I love you, man. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Happy modeling.